Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheelie channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet square motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. At first I will use BC yarn Jaipur silk Fino yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown. Then make 10 chains and close them with a slip stitch. Then I will start round 2. I will make 2 chains, then make 20 half double crochet stitches inside that ring, then close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 3. I will make 9 chains as shown now. Then skip next 4 stitches and make half double crochet into the 5th stitch. And repeat that 4 times, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 4. I will make a chain, then make single crochet into the next space as shown now, and make half double crochet into same space, then make 11 double crochet stitches into same space as shown now. Now I finished 11 double crochet stitches. Then I will make half double crochet and make single crochet into same space. Then I will repeat this group 4 times again into next 3 spaces to have 4 groups of that, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that round with that shape, then close with slip stitch. Then I will start round 5. I will make 5 chains and skip next 4 stitches and make single crochet into the 5th stitch, then make 5 chains again and skip next 2 stitches, then make single crochet into 3rd stitch and repeat that with same sequence across the row, then close with 2 chains and double crochet. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 6. I will make 5 chains and make single crochet into 3rd chain of next 5 chains as shown now, and repeat with same sequence across the row, then close with 2 chains and double crochet. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 7. I will make 9 chains as shown now, then make single crochet into 3rd chain of next 5 chains, then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into 3rd chain of next 5 chains and repeat that 4 times, then repeat with the same sequences for the next 3 sides. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 8. I will make 8 double crochet stitches into that space of 9 chains from the previous row. Then make 5 chains and make 8 double crochet stitches again into same space as shown now. Then make single crochet into third chain of next 5 chains as shown now. With the shape. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into third chain of next 5 chains and repeat that 3 times. Then repeat with the same sequences across next 3 sides. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet square motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.